how to disable Instagram likes. So if you want to disable your Instagram likes, then first of all open up your Instagram application. And after opening, now you can simply go for your profile, which is on the bottom right corner. And then you can, there are two ways you can do that. First, you can open up your post, any post that you would like, and then you can go for the upper right corner, which has the three dots icon, and then you can go for hide like count. And after that, the like count will be hidden. So that's one way. And the another way is you can go and tap on the upper right corner, which has the three bar icon, and then you can go for settings and privacy. And under settings and privacy, here if you scroll down, you will have hide likes option under what you see. Tap on that, and then you can turn on hide like. So the number of likes on posts and reels from other accounts will be hidden. You can hide the number of likes and place on your own post and reels by going to advanced settings before sharing. So you can simply tap on learn more if you want to learn more about the hidden likes. So for now, this is it. You can simply hide your likes from this process, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.